Hi folks, Debbie Ray here, the gardener wife. Here's an end of season update on my window box containers. The Alyssum has filled out, and that garden Party Blend Petunias have all but disappeared. There's a couple blooms over here hiding. Hello. And as you can see, those cherry pie peppers have been prolific. I haven't been harvesting for a while. This is a spoon tomato that sowed itself out of my compost that I used in here. I did not plant one of these in the container, but I know that I used compost from the garden in there. Purple basil still doing good, but I have to pick that or cover it really well tonight. We're expecting first frost. My plan is to harvest all the remaining tomatoes and peppers and the basil. The parsley can stay, that'll keep going, but for the most part that's it for the season. Also, I need to take some cuttings of the ornamental sweet potato vine and keep them over the winter in a vase.